so beautiful! Hey everyone! And welcome to Coloring with KiMMi the Clown! Today we're going to be coloring in my Moana coloring book! I've got my giant box of markers here, so let's get started! Okay, so today I'm going to color this picture of Moana on her boat. Let's start on her face first. Her lips are dark reddish brown. And her skin is brown. Her hair is a dark brownish black. And her outfit is red and tan with a blue necklace. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in Moana. Next, let's color in her boat. Let's make all the ropes a yellowish tan. Let's color in this wood over here a light tan. And let's color in the rest of the wood a darker tan. And let's color in her sail a yellowish orange. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in Moana's boat. Next, let's color in the water down here in aqua blue. And let's color in the sky up here a lighter blue. And lastly, let's color in the borders an orangish red. Okay, I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so awesome. I love all the details of Moana's dress and boat. She is one brave warrior. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm KiMMi the Clown. Hope you had fun clowning around with me today. I just love how this picture of Moana turned out. Have a fun day and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Wow, coloring is so much fun. Like this video if you like to color too. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to check out my last Moana coloring page video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button because I post fun videos every single day. Love you guys. Bye!